The story of the unique mom. Subscribe for more stories.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a mom named Sarah. She had two young children, Emma and Liam, and they were her whole world. Sarah's husband, Daniel, had been the pillar of their family, but tragically, he passed away, leaving Sarah to face the challenges of life alone. Life was not easy for Sarah. With Daniel gone, she had to take on the responsibilities of both parents. She worked tirelessly to make ends meet, taking on odd jobs in the village and doing whatever she could to provide for Emma and Liam. The little family's cozy cottage, once filled with laughter, was now tinged with sorrow. But Sarah was determined to keep her children's spirits high. She would read them stories at night, just like Daniel used to, and tell them tales of their father's bravery and kindness. Despite the hardships, Sarah's love for her children knew no bounds. She made sure they had warm meals, even if it meant skipping her own dinner sometimes. Emma and Liam were her priority, and their happiness was her greatest reward. As the seasons changed, so did their circumstances. Sarah's determination and hard work began to bear fruit. She found a steady job as a seamstress, and her skills were well regarded in the village. With the income she earned, she managed to send Emma and Liam to school, ensuring they received a good education, but the path was not without its hurdles. There were days when bills piled up, and Sarah would sit at the kitchen table with a worried expression. She knew she had to be strong for her children, and she refused to let them see her despair. The village community played a crucial role in their journey. Neighbors and friends would lend a helping hand, offering support and kindness when needed. They pitched in to provide clothes, food, and sometimes even a listening ear when Sarah needed to talk. As the years passed, Emma and Liam grew into responsible, compassionate individuals, just like their parents. They understood the sacrifices their